Here is an AI business idea. I'm going to show you how to create a month's worth of faceless YouTube content using ChatGPT in just minutes. Faceless YouTube channels like this one are making around $48,000 per month, or like this one, which is making around $58,000 per month. Or what about this one, which is making around $57,000 per month, and it is only 10 months old. Keep in mind, these are just YouTube AdSense revenue figures. This does not include affiliate money or brand sponsorships. So in actual fact, they are making much more than this, and you can too, because you now have a business opportunity staring at you in the face. The best part is you can start this from as little as $45 per month. And if you stick around till the end of this video, I will share with you the 3 main factors that could either make or break this business idea. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button, because my analytics tells me that even though I have doubled the amount of subscribers in the last 28 days, still over 85% of you watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. Getting back to the video, Invideo AI just released their own GPT, and it is crazy what you can actually do with it. So in ChatGPT, just click on Explore GPTs, then search for Invideo AI. As you will see, there are 2 options that come up. One is actually an Invideo thumbnail maker. So you can actually use Invideo's thumbnail maker GPT to create your YouTube thumbnails as well. But for this example, we are just going to concentrate on Video AI by Invideo. So once I click on it, now it's going to open up the GPT in a new window. Now, as you will see here, we have 4 conversation starters. So the first one states, let's create a video, then let's create an explainer video, let's create a YouTube shorts video, let's start by creating a script. For this example, I'm just going to click on let's create an explainer video. And Invideo GPT states, great, to get started on your explainer video, I need a bit more information. Could you please provide a brief description of the topic or theme for the video? Additionally, if you have any specific preferences like target audience, tone, or style, feel free to share them. Otherwise, I can decide on these aspects based on the topic you provide. So here it's asking us for information. But it also says that if we do not have any information, if we just give it a topic, it can create the video for us, which is what I am going to do. So I'm just giving it my topic, which is how to get started with affiliate marketing. Now let's click on send message. And just like that, Invideo has now created our video, and it says the explainer video on affiliate marketing 101, a beginner's guide, is ready. It covers all the essentials for beginners to get started with affiliate marketing, including choosing the right programs, creating content, and tracking performance. You can watch the video here. And if I click on this, this is now actually going to take me to Invideo AI. So as you can see, it created a title for me, and it also created the entire video. So now I have gone ahead and downloaded the video so that we can actually test this together. So I'm just going to click on play. But before I do that, remember that I haven't edited this video at all. This is directly what Invideo gave me. The first thing you will notice is this video is actually 2 minutes and 36 seconds long. Now, because we didn't state what length of video we want, it created its own length. But if we actually want to create a longer video, we can do that within Invideo. With Invideo, you can actually create videos up to 15 minutes long. So in our prompt with ChatGPT, we will actually tell it to create a 15-minute video, and then it will create a 15-minute video. So let's play the video.
Have you ever wondered how to make money online? One of the most popular and successful methods is through affiliate marketing. But just what is affiliate marketing, and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards an affiliate for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. Essentially, you promote a company's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. So, how can you get started with affiliate marketing? First, you need to understand the market.
Now, I'm not going to play this whole video because it's 2 minutes and 36 seconds long. But you can see just from the first 30 seconds how powerful this tool is. And remember, as I said earlier, this video hasn't been edited at all. This is straight what Invideo gave us. so we can still edit this video even further. As you may have noticed, the voiceover was done by a female, and if we wanted to change this to a male, we can do that with Invideo as well. Now this is amazing, but this is just one video. I mentioned to you guys that I'm actually going to show you how to create a month's worth of faceless YouTube content. So for this, I'm going to head back to ChatGPT, and then in ChatGPT, I'm just going to give it this simple prompt. I want to create a faceless YouTube channel about affiliate marketing. Give me a content calendar for the month. So I'm simply stating what I want, and I'm also giving it the topic as well. So this is what the Invideo GPT gave me. Creating a content calendar for a faceless YouTube channel focused on affiliate marketing is a fantastic idea. This approach will help in maintaining consistency and offering valuable content to your audience. Here's a proposed content calendar for 1 month, with a weekly posting schedule. And then it gave me ideas for week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4 as well. And then it also gave me some general tips. And then at the end it states, this calendar should help you kickstart your faceless YouTube channel on affiliate marketing, ensuring you cover a range of topics that are both informative and engaging for your audience. Now this is great, but this is just text. I can't actually do anything with this. I want the actual videos. So for my next prompt, I'm simply going to say, create all the videos with Invideo. In just minutes, Invideo gave me all the videos. So as you can see, it created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos, and then it states these videos cover a comprehensive range of topics to effectively kickstart your channel. Best of luck with your affiliate marketing journey on YouTube. This is amazing because in just a few minutes we managed to create a whole month's worth of faceless YouTube content. Now at the beginning I mentioned that this will cost us around $45 per month to get started. So let me break this down for you. So firstly, you will need a ChatGPT Plus subscription because GPTs are only available on the ChatGPT paid version. So this will cost you $20 per month, which is really worth it in my opinion, because not only will you have access to the Invideo GPT, you can also use ChatGPT and all its extra functionalities to help you and guide you along the way of your new business adventure. Then the next cost will actually be Invideo itself, because you can use the free version, but with the free version, then you're going to have a watermark and this won't look good on YouTube. So the cheapest option is $25 per month. And this as well is really worth it because as you can see, the power of Invideo AI. Now, if you want to make this business successful, there are 3 key factors that you need to get right. Number 1 is choose the correct niche. This is really important. You can use tools like Google Trends or also Answer the Public to find out what is trending and also what's in demand as well. Number 2 is create valuable content. Don't rush this. Concentrate on quality instead of quantity. And the third key factor is editing your videos. This is also really crucial because Invideo AI is a great starting point, but you can actually edit these videos even further. So if you don't have the budget, you can actually use free video editing software like CapCut. And then once you start making some money, you can actually hire a professional video editor. So what are you waiting for? Get started now. AI is here to help you make more money. If you are interested to learn more about AI, you might find this video useful. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.